Roger Brown with ASI. I run the service department here, and we wanted to take the opportunity to talk about PM visits on your dryer. Now, your dryer is covered under NFPA 86, that's the National Fire Protection Agency's code, and it governs how the dryer operates and also how often you have to check it to make sure it's operating safely. Your dryer has a burner that's over 500,000 BTUs, like this one, which is 4 million BTUs. And because of that, code says you must inspect all of the safety devices on this line to ensure not only that they're operating, but that they cut off the burner in case of a problem. Let's go over those. The first device we have here, burner, is this controlling the gas valve. The control valve has a switch in it that proves that it's closed before the main gas valve can light. You have to prove that switch works, as well as its operation from open to close. The pilot line has 2 blocking valves on it. Each of those has a bleed checkpoint you have to get on and make sure that there's not gas bleeding by those valves. It can cause gas buildup in the dryer. The 2 other valves to check are your main blocking valves. In addition to that, if you have a vent valve, you should check its operation as well. Those are the valves in the machine, but there's all sorts of switches. There's a high and a low gas pressure switch. There's a combustion blower pressure switch. There's a supply fan pressure switch. There's an exhaust fan pressure switch. And last but not least, the high temperature limit switch. All of these perform a specific function for the safety of the line. This one, for example, ensures that the fan doesn't get too hot and have a mechanical failure. In addition to all these checkouts, we can also look at your line, re-level your header, and ensure and check with any web handling problems you have, or train your operators on how the machine works and how best to get the most efficiency out of your line. Please call us or contact us here. Our email address is service@asitti.com, or our phone number is 920-468-5477. We'll be happy to help.